Okay, just cracked this open. Sumatra actually was one of my favorite coffees when I first started getting more into coffee. This is a very rich, smoky, which is some of the best things about Sumatra when you make it a really dark roast and it's nice and smoky. Um, these solar roast coffee guys, they say they never over roast their stuff. In this case, this still isn't over roasted because it's Sumatra and it's going to be fantastic. This could be a great after dinner coffee, in my opinion. I really like the lower caffeine content since it's roasted so much. And then just those bold flavors. So, it smells really good. It's nice to see that there's the oils, lots of the nice natural oils are still intact there. That should make for some really good rainbows when I'm doing my pour over. I've actually got, instead of my V60 setup, today I've got my, I call this the T30. This is from Target. You can actually get this pretty simple, cheap, inexpensive. I think I paid like $9 at Target for this when I was on vacation one time. And it makes pretty decent coffee. It's got a pretty funny face right there. And this hole is pretty genius for if you're just putting it right on the cup and you don't have a stand or whatever like I've got here. This is a size 2 filter, I believe, and they said this is great for pour overs, but I would get a size 3 in the future. These size 2s just sink down too low and then my grounds risk getting inside my coffee, which nobody likes that. So, always pre-soak your filters doing a pour over. It's going to remove any paper taste that may have transferred into your beverage. But yes, I always try and soak this. And then I also, especially in colder climates or winter months, or depending on how fast I'm going to drink my coffee, I always preheat my mug. So, it's actually a really nice World Cup or World Market mug that I really like. But also, what I was going to say about this is, all those oils in there, you know, that's the reason you don't freeze your coffee, because you're going to change the aspects of your coffee if you freeze it or keep it in the freezer. I would definitely suggest instead like an airtight container and a dark, not see-through airtight container. This is the way to do it. Had this for a long time. Look familiar? Okay, I'm just finishing up this grind here. I prefer hand ground. It's a very subtle difference, but you're sure not to kind of burn up your beans if you hand grind. Otherwise, professional burr grinders are gonna, have good quality. It's professional quality. And throwing in it was like 3/4 of an ounce in there. So probably make like an 8 ounce out of this. Clear that. Just soak the beans, let it bloom real quick. Some nice motion there. Oh, you can barely see it moving, but it is. There we go, nice movement. Oh, nice bubbles. And pretty close to an 8 ouncer. Oh, on the money. That takes skills and practice, guys. While this is dripping, check out my salt lamp cleaning video, the tools you need video for coffee. This is night light that simulates the friggin' what's up, honey? Check out the drill brush video.
Uncle Bun's ears do like this.
Nice.
Making noises. And I was doing like this. And Dusty was doing like this. Oh!
That's funny.
And all people were laughing when Uncle Bun's ears were laughing.
Right.
We're going.
Awesome. Look out. So, my kiddo is super excited about Sheriff Cali Wild West. So if you got kiddos, they'll probably love the show too. Alright, well, should we try the coffee now?
Yes.
Yes. Still dripping a little bit.
And you still talk about that.
And we're talking about that stuff around there, aren't we?
What's it?
Yeah, actually, here's one thing. I've got a health channel as well. But,
I saw it.
you want to show it?
Yes, yes.
You hold it?
Yep.
Hold it right. Move your thumb. Move your thumb. This is actually a really good product for kiddos. BioRay, we've been using a lot of that stuff lately. We've got a natural health channel called SocoNaturalHealth. You guys can check that out too. All one word, it's easiest to find. Alright, now time for the taste. Pretty thick, pretty heavy. This is surprising to me. This actually has a bit of a floral finish. I don't know that I've ever recognized a floral finish in my Sumatra. But yeah, like a smoky floral. That's amazing. That's pretty nice. Yeah, that's some amazing stuff. Cheers. You guys can go to solarroast.com. This was kind of cool how it blended with my channel, how I have a lot of solar items as well.
I need a pen. I need a pen.
Well, time to go get the kitty pen.